One of my all-time favorite pasta is Bolognese. Pasta with meat sauce. Simple and easy. Just take 2 tablespoons olive oil in a pan, 1 tablespoon onion, 1 teaspoon garlic. You can go more if you like it. Crushed chili, peppers like about half a teaspoon or as you like. To this, I'm gonna add a cup of meat, minced meat, marinara sauce. To this, I'm gonna add half a cup of button mushrooms, 1/4 teaspoon of oregano. I'm gonna add half a glass of leftover pasta water. ये इसमें डाल देते हैं. Season with a little salt. Yes. Black pepper. Okay, it's all good, ready to go. Oh, look at this, beautiful. Oof, nice. Garnish with little black olives and some green olives. All right, let's just finish with some fresh basil. Voila, it's ready.